Alright, people, let's do some linear functions. This is like Algebra 1 basics, okay? So we're slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. We got three different ways to show what m is. Rise over run, the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and then delta y over delta x. Greek letter delta means change, so change in y over change in x, same thing. I got three examples here that I want us to do. Be sure we know what we're doing for slope, and then we'll pretty much be done, to be honest. So it doesn't matter what we call x1 and y1 or x2 and y2 as long as we keep it consistent. So negative 3 minus 6 over 2 minus negative 3. There we go. So we got negative 9 over positive 5. That's my slope. That's all we're asked to find. It's a negative slope, so that means my graph would look something like that, probably. It would not look like that, okay? Meh, none of that. So for number 2, same thing. We want to mix it up and say this is y2 and all that. We can do that. So we're going to do 8 minus negative 1 over negative 4 minus negative 4. Negative 4, negative 4, that makes 0. On bottom, we got 9 over 0. Whoa, that means it's undefined. Undefined, is that vertical or horizontal? That is vertical. If you remember VUX, vertical, undefined, and this is x equals number. So many of us say x equals the axis or something like that, but no, it's x equals a number, and that number happens to be for this one, negative 4. So x equals negative 4, it's up and down like that. And then lastly, number 3, same thing, 2 minus 2 over negative 1 minus 3. That gives us 0 on top of negative 4. Anything 0 divided by any number is 0. So that's the other one, hoi, which is horizontal 0, and y equals a number. In this case, the same number is 2. Okay, so that's the slope. I got a little picture here. It's kind of self-explanatory, I think. Positive, negative, 0, undefined. Anytime the graph is rising, the slope is positive. Anytime it's falling, like this, the slope is negative. If it's sideways, 0, this would be 0 fun, and undefined, you would be in a lot of pain. The last thing is point-slope formula, and that's if you're given the point and the slope. So y minus 5 equals negative 1/3, and x minus 2. Then hippity-hoppity-shooter-brappity. So y minus 5 equals negative 1/3 x plus 2/3. And then the last thing is we're going to move 5 over here. So I get y equals negative 1/3 x. Find a common denominator. This is going to be 15/3 plus 2/3, which would be 17/3. Good luck. See you later. Bye.